Good morning, students. Today's topic is about depreciation and appreciation. So, first of all, you should know what is the meaning of depreciation and appreciation. Appreciation means growth and depreciation means to reduce the value. So, let's see what happens when appreciation and depreciation takes place, then how we find the value of a quantity if its value is depreciating or its value is appreciating. For growth, that is appreciation. Growth, like the population of any city is growing, the weight of a person can grow. There are plenty of examples you can give about growth. So the formula which we use to find for growth is V equals to V0 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. This is the formula we use to find the value of any quantity after a certain period of time if its growth rate is given. Let's see what these symbols stand for. V0 is the present value of the quantity. V is the value after a certain period of time. R is the rate of growth and n is the time. This formula we use to find the value of a quantity if it's after a certain period of time. Now if you want to find the value of the quantity a few years back, then what you do, this formula changes and it becomes V0 equals to V 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. This formula is used to find the value few years back and this formula is used to find the value after some years. So let's see the application of these. The example which I have taken is the population of a city grows at 10% per annum if its population in 2018 was 2 lakhs, find its population in 2020 and second part in 2016. So in first part we have to find the population after 2 years. So we will write this formula V equals to V0 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. What is V0? V0 is the present. So here the present population we will take of population of 2018. It is 2 lakhs. So we will write 2 lakhs here. 1 plus rate is 10 upon 100 to the power n, and time will be 2 years. From 2018 to 2020 time will be 2 years. Now we will solve this. It is 2 lakhs. This will be 11 upon 10 power 2. This is 2 lakhs. This is 121 upon 100. These two zeros will be cancelled out. And now we will multiply this 2000 and 121. It is 2,42,000. This will be the population of that city after 2 years. It means in year 2020 the population will be 2,42,000. Now we are going to attend the second part in which we have to find the population in year 2016. It means 2 years back. So we will use the formula V0 equals to V 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Here V is your value n years ago, means in your question it is given 2 years ago. So present population, V0 is present population, V is value n years ago, mean population n years ago. Now V0 will be 2 lakh. V we will write as it is 1 plus 10 upon 100 to the power 2. So it is 2 lakhs. V into, again it will give you 11 upon 10. Sorry, band karo. Okay, now it is 2 lakh V into 121 upon 100. Therefore, V equals to 2 lakh into 100 upon 121. Possible. All right. So when we will multiply these two numbers and divide by 121, our answer will come 165,289.26. Means 1,65,289.26. But since it is population, so we cannot write in decimal. So we will write as 1,65,289. This will be the answer of this question, means the population 2 years ago. So this was the example for growth or appreciation. We are going to see the questions related with depreciation. So as I told you that depreciation means to decrease in value. Now let's take one example. Alright, I have taken this example for depreciation. The value of a machine in 2020 is rupees 1 lakh. Its value depreciates at 10% every year. Find its value in 2022 and second part in 2018. Now let's see how to solve this question. First part means we have to find the value of machine after 2 years. So we will apply this formula V equals to V0, but make sure when depreciation takes place, we write the formula with negative sign. Here formula will be V equals to V0 in bracket 1 minus R upon 100 power n. Formula is same. For growth and for depreciation, formula is same. The only difference is that for growth, formula is written with plus sign 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n, and for depreciation, formula is written with negative sign. So since it is a case of depreciation, we will write with negative sign. V equals to V0 in bracket 1 minus R upon 100 to the power n. Now our job is to substitute the values. V0, the present value. Here, present value will be the value of machine in year 2020. So it is 1 lakh. We will put 1 lakh here. Rate is 10% upon 100 to the power n. N will be 2 years. It is 1 lakh. 0 will be cancelled out. This will be 9 upon 10 power 2. 1 lakh into 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. These two zeros will be cancelled out. So it is 81,000 because the value is depreciating. So after 2 years, its value will be less than the present value. So after 2 years, its value will be rupees 81,000. Alright, now let's attempt second part. In second part, we have to find the value of the machine 2 years ago. So we will write formula V0 equals to V 1 minus R upon 100 to the power n. Now we will substitute the values. V0 is present value, it is 1 lakh. V, that's value n years ago. 1 minus R is 10 upon 100 to the power n. This will be 1 lakh. This is V. This will be power 2. 0, 0 will be cancelled out. Again it will be 9 upon 10 power 2. This will be 1 lakh and it will be 81. V into 81 upon 100. So when we will find the value of V, it will be 1 lakh into 100 upon 81. Now your job is to solve this. So we will multiply 1 lakh into 100 and whatever the product will come, you will divide by 81. So your answer will come rupees 123,456.79. Since it is the cost of the machine, so we can write in decimal. So the value of machine in year 2018 will be rupees 1,23,456.79. I hope you all must have understood how to find the value of a quantity if its value is growing or appreciating, or if its value is depreciating, then how to find the respective values.